How to postpone or dismiss a review meeting. Sometimes review meetings don't go ahead as originally planned. To postpone a previously scheduled review meeting, go to the Absence section and select Tasks. Find the correct task in your list to bring up the input form on the right-hand side. At the top, below the meeting date field, you have a link to Postpone Meeting. Click on this link and select a new date in the dialog box that opens. If you don't yet know the exact date of the meeting, you can choose an approximate date and update the details later on. If your review meeting task needs to be dismissed, you can do that here on the task page too. Click on the Review Meeting Not Required button in the top right corner. You must select a reason why you're dismissing the task. The most common reason is that the absence has been authorised. Occasionally, employees incorrectly trip a policy trigger because they forgot to close their absence, so this is also listed as an option here. Any other reasons to dismiss the task would fall under managerial discretion. Your name and the reason you choose will appear on the absence record and on reports.